Greetings. I am hoping this visual would be more helpful than written directions on how to get your references from your Word document to your PowerPoint for your dissertation slides. I am sure there are many other ways that this can be done, but these are a couple of things I wanted to show you that were helpful to me. So opening up a new slide, I do use the to content slide. And let me just type type there into my title, and of course we'll adjust that later. But I go to my Word document, and here in my Word document, I've already highlighted an entire page. So I just want to hit copy, go back over to my references, and I want to use destination. And I have to be very careful with that. If you notice the switch over, it switched to Arial, so I'm going to have to fix that. I still cannot figure out why that's done that, but make sure it's Times New Roman. I want to make sure it's in white since I'm using a black background. And I'm also just going to hit our font key here until it gets small enough to where it fits. So that is one way that it can be done. Another way, and I'm using the same information here, is you can expand the boxes depending on how you would like the readability to be for your readers. And I'm going to use the same copy and paste method. I'm using my destination formatting. Want to make sure I have it in Times New Roman, and since I'm using that black background, still want to have it in white, and I want to be able to made it a little bit smaller there. Okay, so find the perfect spot right there. So this is 8-point font, Times New Roman, and this is 7-point font, Times New Roman. And I want to show you one more thing that'll be helpful depending on how many of these that you would like to. Before I move to the next little tip, I guess you'd say, I have mine in Times New Roman because my PowerPoint was in Times New Roman, even though my dissertation was in Arial. So that's one of the reasons I have to constantly reformat. If you have a few of these slides, so you don't have to do each one individually, you could go back to the to content. I'm going to leave them this way. Again, you can leave them or expand them. Either choice. I'm going to go ahead and set this to 8 and make sure it's white. I'm going to go ahead and set this to 8 and make sure that it's white. Now what I can do is, depending on how many slides we need, I can just copy this entire slide and then paste it so that all of my slides end up being this format already for me. So you'll probably need a couple based on how many you have. So that way, and I'm just going to go back, show you very quickly. Same information, just sticking with the same slide there. Here we go. And keep the formatting there. And this, for some reason, we do have to lift up, and there still might be a small issue with the font. But there we go. Hopefully this helps out a little bit. And good luck. You worked hard. Stay strong. It's a process.